然気にしないふりしてもほら君に恋してる果てない闇
Custom make own car is 600 yen, and then it comes with the logo Tomika Shop Factory, and they make it right here. So you pick your own body, the three colors, blue, red, and gray. I'm gonna pick those red, and then you pick a car window. And then you can choose the color for your seats. Color for your seat. And so it's black or blue. Which color goes better? Should I go with black or red? What do you think? Yeah?
No, up to you. Red looks pretty good.
Which one? Red?
Red.
Red, red, red? All triple red? All red? All red?
Up to you.
Black and red?
Okay.
Or blue and red? Blue and red.
Up to you.
Blue and red, baby.
Blue and red will look like that.
Yeah, the window color is only clear left. Okay. Oh,
I will go black and red.
black and red, right? Yeah.窗户呢？白色吗？还是要其他颜色？
透明的吧？
透明的吗？因为它有其他颜色，暂时没有了。OK，对，我觉得。
他不在。
那它有没有其他颜色？他の色があります。まだは一緒。あ、まだ一緒。Come with a license too. Oh, he's gonna make my car now.
お待たせしました。
はい。
チェックしますね。
チェックし
サスペンション。
Oh, suspension. Oh.
はい。
まだ。Not yet. Suspension.
防震。
Oh, it's a box too.
哦。
Custom box.
Got
my car. Come with a little box. Tomica factory. Whoa, that is so cool. Factory made with my driver's license.
日の当たる坂道を自転車で駆け上る君となくした思い出乗せてゆくよラララララ口ずさむ唇を覚めてゆく君と見つけ